is a high degree of risk involved in trading cryptocurrencies. Our thoughts and ideas are for entertainment purposes only. Please consult your personal advisor or do your own research. Past results are not indicative of future returns. Thank you.
27th, wanted to do another update. Everything's been really moving spot on to what we've been calling, so not a lot to add to the equation here. We had this rally to 93.50 we was looking for. We got that. Now we're looking at probably, we're still in this fourth wave, we're guessing. So this could still be a flat, which I mentioned. Could have a rally to 9,800 and then back to 86.50. We could do a triangle here, which means, really just sideways here for a while. We could say, I've mentioned this, to put this on the table. We could say that we've had a blue fives on the way up, so now we've done an AB. We're going to mouse around here for a while between this 86.50 and 93.60. Maybe do a triangle here and then fall out of it to the downside to 7,700. That's the worst case for a deeper pullback, which again, I'm not sure of that. That's definitely a choice. It's not been our preferred count. We're still kind of saying with this whether we rally up to here or whether you do a triangle kind of sideways here and then fall under. So if you want to be short-term cute, yes, you could probably trade a little bit here again. Ethereum just did a 680 we was talking about. Selling there, you might be able to get it back cheaper. I'm going to show an Elliott wave count, I'm going to show the point and figure count on the Bitcoin 100 point coming off our Pulse of the Market crypto software. It gives an upside objective of 12,900, which fits right into what we've been saying anyway with some Elliott wave projections. But we're Wyckoff all the way. So I'm going to show that here in a minute. Let's go into some more quick charts here. Bitcoin Cash, looking really as it should. I mean, we had the pullback. Everything's kind of following Bitcoin. I know correlation with these coins is historical highs, I believe now. Dash, same type of chart. Classic, showing a little bit of strength, rallying back strong near the highs. So we're impressed with that. Again, some of these you got to be careful. A coin like that could take off and do a 25 probably if you aren't too careful here. So Ethereum, I just said, came up with the 680 that we was looking at. We had that marked on the charts and mentioned it in last night's YouTube broadcast. And, once again, could get cute here. I did trade a little bit on the way down, so it might work again. Litecoin 151 did rally out the support I mentioned. I'm not sure these blue labelings are correct here on Litecoin, so I wouldn't be trading off those. I think it'll follow Bitcoin, but some outperformance here would tell you maybe this is working. NEO 7611, not much to talk about there. OMG 1833 had the big spike, so still performing well. We've said that one probably continues to work higher. It has done that. Ripple 85 cents, a little weaker than the rest, but not doing too bad. ADA 2.89% up for the day, back near the highs, still staying strong. EOS we've been on, 1739, another 12% gain. Just keeps moving. We've got XLM, USD, another 7%, goes to a new high. That's one that we've liked. We mentioned XVG down there at 60 again. We still thought it would firm up. It has done that. Hopefully we can see some higher here. Hopefully that was a test of the low after the sell-off from the news, and we can build back up. Zen 4160, another 7% higher, goes to a new high for the move. Another strong one. ZRX buck 13, back near the highs as well. So all those are acting well. So I wanted to bring in the Pulse of the Market crypto software. This is BTC USD. You can see that behind the screen there. I've marked 3 upside levels you can probably count from, but you want to take the most conservative first. So the purple is the most conservative. That's down here, 6,600. If you had the 63 boxes from here to here to give us an upside objective, you're talking 12,900. On the light blue, if we could take that later, that would be a 14,008. And I didn't calculate the blue because that would be much further once we get these two objectives met on the upside. But obviously that would be, probably be back to new all-time highs. We're checking the highs. I also wanted to add here that if you take the minimum account down here from the 6,600 level, you would have counted over 27 boxes to here. Add that to 6,600, and that would take you up to the 9,300 level, which, as you know, 9,300 on Bitcoin was back here, which would have been a decent level to have taken profits, and that is where we've had our first big correction. So the 9,300 would have been a stop, look, and listen area where you could have been like, okay, I know we have higher upside objectives, but do I want to lighten up here and then look for some reaccumulation, which looks like that's what we're doing. So it's going to be a fourth wave or a B wave, and then hopefully on up to that 12,900 level. So that's just taking a minimum account off of the point and figure. Instead of, usually you take the first count, the most conservative, and then you can slide over and pick up this account and pick up this count. And that takes you to the 12.9. So just wanted to show that. Software is working pretty well now. We're still, checking and double checking things, but pretty happy with it right now. 5-minute intraday OPs are working, etc. So we will check in maybe this weekend. If not, we'll talk to you Monday. Thank you.
Are you trading or investing in the fast-moving and exciting cryptocurrency markets? If so, you need to learn how to identify primary trading opportunities by implementing the Wyckoff trading methods, which was created by world-renowned stock speculator Richard D. Wyckoff. This online course teaches all you need to know to increase your returns while minimizing your risk using the Wyckoff trading method. Over 915 students have enrolled in the course since its launch in late 2017. LearnCrypto.io is owned and operated by Wyckoff SMI, also known as Wyckoff Stock Market Institute, which has been an authority on the Wyckoff trading method for over 85 years. Founded by Richard Wyckoff in the 1930s, Wyckoff Stock Market Institute has owned the rights of the Wyckoff trading course since the beginning. Take advantage today of this excellent course and begin reaping the rewards of a time-tested method from the grandfather of technical analysis, Richard D. Wyckoff.